Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. So if this is your first time seeing me here, welcome. Please do consider subscribing, and if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you for joining me in today's video. So in today's video I will be unboxing the new Sigma Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I got this beautiful package here from Sigma Beauty. It's their new on the go eyeshadow palette, and I'm here to open or used any. If you all must know, I've really been loving Sigma Beauty products, from their brushes to their eyeshadow palettes and their lipsticks, their eyeliner. I so love it, and I've tried to review some of their products, their eyeshadow, the lipstick. I've tasted them, and I've given my honest review on them. You could check here. I will drop one video here from the Sigma Beauty that I reviewed. So, and I was super excited when I got this package here. It's so exciting. So before I get to the unboxing, please if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that. Show your girl some love. Usually Sigma Beauty always launches 14-pan palettes. However, this new collection here features 6 palettes, and behind each of these doors here are 9-pan eyeshadow palettes. They are so pretty. I can't wait to show you this. So first, this box is really cute. It's so pretty. The Sigma Beauty on the go eyeshadow palette collection features individual eyeshadow palettes which can be purchased for $29, or they can be purchased in a bundle for $139, giving you enough savings. As you can see, all the 6 palettes have black glossy cardboard packaging with a clear plastic window in the lid, so you can easily tell the palettes apart. Each features their name written in front too, which also make it easier to find the one you want. So each of these palettes here contains shimmer shade, metallic shade, matte shade. Also has a mixture of bold and neutral shades in them, and also each of them are travel sized eyeshadow palettes. Isn't that cute? So without wasting much of your time, let me just go ahead and show each of them. So first is the spicy eyeshadow palette. So it's like a warm tone neutral. So this palette here contains 3 shimmer shades, 5 matte shades, and 1 metallic shade. These shades here are so pretty. It can go for an everyday look, you know, add that spicy to your everyday look. Next is the Ivy eyeshadow palette. So this palette here has green and neutral shades in it. Probably this palette here is really going to be one of their best sellers, because as for me, I'm already in love with it. This is going to be one of my favorites from this collection. So I love this clove here, this shade in clove. It's like a brown matte, like a chocolate brown matte. I just love the shade. So this palette here contains metallic shades, duochrome, matte, and a shimmer shade. So I love this shade here in Envy. It's like an olive green. I just love it. Also the clove, like I said earlier. So the next shade is the Rosy eyeshadow palette. I must say, this is such a beautiful, cute rosy palette. Like, it can go from a day makeup look to a night makeup look. The shades here are so pretty. I also love the fact that it has a pink tone shade. This palette here also contains shimmer shades, matte shades, duochrome, and also metallic shade. I love it, and I'm definitely creating an eye look using this palette here. So next is the Hazy eyeshadow palette. It's like a cool tone neutrals. It also has kind of a purple shades in it, which will help you in creating a flawless look. So this palette here also contains matte, shimmer, duochrome shades, and metallic shades in it. I love this shade here in Daydreamer. It's a purple shimmer shade. So the next palette is the Fiery eyeshadow palette. So this palette contains warm tone shadows, contains just metallic shades, matte shades, and shimmer shades. I can't see any duochrome shades here. I love this shade here, the Summer Song. It's like a burnt orange shade. I also love this Sun Sprite shade here. It's a shimmer shade. So this is the last palette here, and it's in RITZY. So all the shades in here are perfect for an everyday makeup look. Like, it's not so warm, it's not so cool, it's just the perfect neutral shade. So guys, that's just all for today's video. I just thought I should just show you the new Sigma Beauty on the go eyeshadow palette, and they are so pretty. They are travel sized. It's just something you could just pick and just put inside your bag. And so just let me know which is your favorite shade. I love this shade here in Ivy. I don't know, it's just that perfect eyeshadow shade. So guys, that's it. Let me know what you think of this video. Also let me know if you're purchasing any of these shades. They are all pretty shades. So guys, also let me know what you think down below the comment section. And if you'll be purchasing any of this palettes here, do not forget to click on that notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I upload. If you love my look, follow me on my Instagram page. I'll be dropping a video on this look very soon. You all should stay safe. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. And yes, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do that. It's free. Show me some love. Bye.